Sustain Dry Eye Care Nighttime. Product details. Dry eye can be itchy and uncomfortable, causing your eyes to be irritated. Help restore comfort and relieve dry eye while you sleep with the Sustain Tears Nighttime Ointment. Apply 1 to 2 drops of gel before going to relieve dry eye symptoms and to shield against further irritation due to severe dry eye. These sterile gel drops deliver long-lasting relief of dry eye symptoms with easy overnight use. Sustain's unique combination of ingredients can help provide relief of symptoms brought on by windy conditions, sunny weather, and/or digital eye strain. Shop the entire assortment of Sustain Eye Care product online or in-store at Walmart. Long-lasting nighttime protection. Ointment keeps eyes comfortable. Number 1 doctor recommended brand for dry eye symptom relief. Preservative-free formula. Indications. Stop use indications. Stop use and ask a doctor if you feel eye pain. Changes in vision occur. Redness or irritation of the eyes gets worse, persists or lasts more than 72 hours. Instructions. Directions: pull down the lower lid of the affected eye and apply a small amount 1/4 inch of ointment to the inside of the eyelid.